Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Hunyuan Video AI. First, go to the Hunyuan Video website using your browser. Then, click on Get Started from the top right corner. Now, choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account and click on Continue to log in. Once you're in, you'll see two options, text to video and image to video. Now, tap a short description of the video you want to create. To get better results, open a new tab and go to ChatGPT. Type something like write a prompt to create a video using AI tools. Wait for the prompt to be generated. Now copy the text, go back to the Hunyuan tab and paste it into the description box. Then choose the video style you want, horizontal, vertical or square. After that, click on Generate Video. You'll see the video start generating on your screen. Now, click on Credits from the top right corner. Here, you'll see options like 150 credits, 750 credits, or 1500 credits, each with a different price. If you switch to yearly, the price will be different. Choose a credit plan that suits you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.